You fixed it?
Star date December 19th, Wednesday, 2007, with David Kadick. Backyard in the most flooded area. Tools everywhere. See, she threw everything on the ground. All my tools were scattered.
A tornado went through here.
This is our flood.
What I call lunch cart flood.
This is a combination of lunch cart and this water pipe
thing
leak coming from the washing machine. That's a disaster.
You notice right here, you can still see the bubbles of the line.
There's so much water flowing against the house, it's going to probably eventually seep in through the house.
If you notice, some water's coming out.
But that's why they make boots you can wear inside the house.
But
there's a major leak here. See that wood?
Yeah.
There's a major leak behind that
now if you notice
major leak.
They're trying to fix this. There's been a problem.
There's just way too much work here to be done. We got a Tobias Canatito. So we have to take necessary steps to remedy this flood.
Bella! Bell, bell!
And that's what we're going to do. Now we're going to go eat. Because David Kadick eats 24 hours a day.
Stop
He's
it.
very hungry.